Today we are taking the stereo out of a 2006 Pontiac Vibe. We see this stereo in shop in many cases for the CD changer being jammed, not ejecting or accepting. From time to time there are grinding noises and so on. If you're having CD problems with this stereo, before sending it in for repair, disconnect one of the battery terminals out under the hood for several minutes and hook it back up. This can at times reset the CD changer and bring it back to working. This is also a VIN-locked radio. What that means is this radio is programmed to work specifically in this vehicle. We're going to show you the process for taking this out of the car and getting it sent into the shop for repair. We're going to start with prying the edge of the panel from around the car stereo, work our way around. This will release clips. All the clips release with pry pressure, and this will allow you to pull the panel forward. This will give access to the three main connectors. We're going to push the trigger in on the connector and release the connector. We're going to repeat this process all the way across the top of the vehicle. There is two more connectors here at the bottom on the sides. This connector on the side has a push down trigger as well, and when the trigger is pushed down it releases. These triggers on these connectors are a little trigger right here at the very back, and you push this trigger down, which releases it, and you're able to wiggle the connector loose. Now we've pulled the front face back far enough to get access to the mounting screws. We're going to use a 10mm socket to remove the first screw, 10mm socket to remove the second mounting screw. Further back in the dash is a third mounting screw, which we're going to remove. And here on the left side is the fourth mounting screw. Now that we've removed all the screws, we're going to pull the stereo back from the dash. You watch the top connectors. In many cases these may fall back down into the dash. They need to remain up here. When you're reinstalling the stereo, make sure these come out the top. Here on the back edge corner is a small little clip that holds the wire harness onto the bracket, and we can push the sides of this clip in, which will allow it to pass back through the opening. Pushing the clips into the connector, this will allow you to back it back off and through the opening. We've got the clips all loose, so we're going to, there we go, that releases. That will allow you to pull the stereo out of the dash. We're going to start with the main connector, which will have a trigger on it as well to be released. The second connector on the back of the stereo, and the antenna. You grab the base and pull that out. That releases all the connectors, and this is how you remove the stereo from a 2006 Pontiac Vibe. Hope this video has been helpful. Thank you for watching.